For today's video ay pupunta ako sa oldest world ko.
Dito muna ako kasi gabi. No. I just gonna skip the night. Okay guys, it's been a minute. Tingnan natin kung gabi na. Ay, umaga. Oh, no, play. Okay, let's just gather some sheep. Guys, welcome. No. Guys, sabi nila ito daw pinaka-best na method para makahanap ng diamonds. Ayan, nagano ako. Pero redstone lang ang aking nakikita. Sa diamond ba yan? Oh my gosh. Diamonds! Guys, the meme is real. Let's go. The meme is real. Just not okay. Let's go find out. How many diamonds is this? 1. Oh my gosh, it burned. No. Okay guys, never mind this. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we got total 8. Just the luckiest time I've ever seen. I got 8 diamonds because the total is 6. Meron akong dito, hawak na dalawa. Tapos nakamina ako ng 6. Let's get out of here. Yes sir, I'm out. It's raining heavy. Let's cook some iron. Let's go down. I just PM you, our iron is cooked. Tapos ako mag iron. Kaya impalit ko na yung gold. Let's go. Let's just find some obsidian, guys. Guys, nakatapos na tayo magkuha ng obsidian. Nag-tower up na lang tayo. Kung nandito na tayo. At pa umaga. Natin to. Guys, after a lot of work, we finally got it. Let's go. I'm gonna place the victory of Lux. Level 1 muna tayo. Okay, efficiency 1. Let's go. Sharpness 1. Efficiency, let's go. Ancient resistor stuff. Oh, I got XP. Let me get some XP real quick. Guys, finally nakuha na tayo ng XP at bumalik na tayo. Tara no! Guys, i-insert na natin lahat. Pop. And a bub. Let's go. Go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Perfect! Sharpness! Finally, the last piece. Oh, all the hard work with no armor.
Armor.
This is it. Yeah. Drip. Let's go. I finally done it. Sana guys, nag-enjoy kayo. So for today's video, see you again in my next part 2 season of this Minecraft. Bye-bye and peace.